The Hindu Raksha Dal has announced plans to visit Darul Uloom in Deoband on August 11th, claiming that a shivling exists beneath the Islamic seminary's premises. According to a video message, Uttarakhand President Lalit Sharma said the organization's office bearers, led by President Pinky Chaudhary, would carry Ganga water from Haridwar to Deoband and offer it at the site. Sharma claimed the organization had earlier approached the Saharanpur administration seeking an inquiry into its allegation that a Shiv temple exists on the Darul Uloom premises. He alleged that no action was taken on the request. The group has now decided to visit the seminary itself, he said. The proposed visit comes amid heightened sensitivity around claims concerning religious sites. The allegation regarding the Darul Uloom premises has not been independently established.